Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for escaping Apex Legends Bot Lobbies. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to bypassing those frustrating bot-filled lobbies? They've got the essentials down cold. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your connection stays private and secure from snoopers. They all have a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get stuck in a bot lobby with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what servers or locations you connect through. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for leaving bot lobbies behind. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best for hopping out of Apex Legends bot lobbies because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be tricky scams promising bot lobby fixes, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure, low-latency custom game lobby. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, console, and phone all at once. Perfect if you want to coordinate squad play to avoid bot matches. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any techie Apex player can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Apex Legends player dealing with laggy servers, it provides a SOX 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential boost, but keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for escaping bot lobbies? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother transitions, so you can land in fresh, populated lobbies faster. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with ping spikes depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose to finally leave those bot lobbies behind? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low ping is your top priority, you can't stand being stuck with bots, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you've got a ton of gadgets or a whole household of Apex Legends players. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Apex player who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using to dodge Apex Legends bot lobbies. See you soon.